Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube Shorts views freezing. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here we are in a Quora article and this person says or states some uh, probable reason for having your views to be frozen. So basically, there are several reasons, such as algorithm saturation. So basically, your YouTube Shorts are heavily promoted by the YouTube. That means it's YouTube who promotes your uh, YouTube Shorts via algorithm. And when some content keeps to be gets older, it will become deprioritized and probably your views will be frozen. Also, some initial engagements. When you have like a strong engagement at the beginning and then it starts to decrease, your YouTube algorithm tends to deprioritize it and it will probably freeze again. And of course, there is also the content lifespan. Like shorts, like many other forms of social media content, have relatively short lifespan. So basically, if you don't have some good engagement since the beginning of the short, it will get frozen within the time. And also there is competition, for example, for trends or some niche that it is widely used, etc. And of course, there is the viewer behavior by their engagement, etc. So some solutions that you can try is just to try to have some consistent posting by using, for example, some scheduler or whatever. And of course, you can try to use also some engagement boost by encouraging your viewers interaction by adding like the buttons or the gifs of comments, like and share and subscribe, etc., etc. And you can signal them to uh, the viewers, and that would say to the algorithm that your content remains relevant, and basically it will be promoted and it will be more viewed and not frozen. And also you can start optimizing your content by adding like more appealing title, adding some tags, also adding some more engaging thumbnails by having appealing thumbnails, etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.